India is a very big country. The area of India extends from Kashmir to Kanyakumari for about 3,200 kilometers. There are about more than 1.26 billion of people living in India. Most of the people in India live and work in villages. We have 29 states and 7 union territories in India, where people of different culture and race live together. To maintain discipline and security in the states of the people, someone has to be given the responsibility. To do this, we elect a government. Each state has its own capital city. The main offices of the state government are located in that city. There are small areas that are not included in any of the states. These are called as union territories. These areas are directly under the control of the central government. The location of states. We can see all the 29 states and 7 union territories on the map of India. The capital cities are also marked in the map. This map is called as Political Map of India. Each state has different neighboring states. Few of the Indian states lie on the international border. Uttar Pradesh is the only state in India having maximum number of neighboring states. Uttar Pradesh shares border with 9 bordering states. These are Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh in northwest, Delhi, Rajasthan and Haryana in west, Madhya Pradesh in south, Chhattisgarh in southeast, and Bihar and Jharkhand in east. Delhi is the capital of India and state itself. India's second largest state with number of neighboring states is Chhattisgarh and Assam. These share borders with 7 states of India. These are UP, MP, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa and Gujarat. Karnataka shares border with Goa, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh are 4 Indian states which share border with 5 neighboring states. Telangana and Odisha share border with 4 neighboring states, and Meghalaya and Sikkim are the only 2 states in India which share border with only 1 state. Meghalaya shares border with Assam and Sikkim borders only with West Bengal. Neighboring states and water bodies. India is bordered by the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. These water bodies cover a coastline of 7,000 kilometers. The major water bodies within the borders of India are Ganga, Brahmaputra and the West Coast Canal. The southern part of India is surrounded by Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. There are 4 main oceans of India: Atlantic, Pacific, Indian and Arctic Ocean. State and its capital. State. Capital: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji, Gujarat. Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh, shared with Punjab. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar, summer, Jammu, winter, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Aizawl, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Orissa, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh shared with Haryana, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Union Territories, Capital City, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair, Chandigarh, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Daman and Diu, Daman, Lakshadweep, Kavaratti, Delhi, National Capital Territory, Delhi, Puducherry, Pondicherry, Pondicherry,